Hi guys, this video is going to be showing my bird and what type it is. So I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe please, that will really help. And let's show you it. So yeah, well that's the bird. This type is a cockatiel and he does sing a lot. What are you doing, Eric? Oh yeah, his name is Eric and I don't know what. Eric! What you doing, Eric? So that's really the bird. I did not keep it there while I land on it, guys. What are you doing, Eric? What are you doing, Eric? What are you doing, Eric? Wait a sec. I don't know, that's more like a dog thing. Hi, Eric, can you get in the camera? Wait a second, I have to keep it. Wait, no. Look at that baby. I don't actually know his actual age, guys. But yeah. I think he's 4 or 5. And I don't know if we got a rescue because I adopted him technically. In the next video, maybe it'll be like this. Anyway, that's it for the video. Hope like and subscribe, that'll really help. And adios, amigos.